Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram stories using your Android device. To get started, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap the plus button or swipe right from the home screen to create a new story. Take a photo, record a video, or select one from your gallery. Next, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select the music sticker. Browse the available songs or use the search bar to find a specific track. Tap the song you want to use, then choose the part of the song you'd like to play and customize how the music sticker appears on your story. Once you're happy with your story, tap your story or close friends to share it. Your followers will be able to hear the music while viewing your story. And that's it, you've successfully added music to your Instagram story. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.